Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
You doing good?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You say bike?
Bye.
Yeah, you're on your bike. And you're doing it all by yourself. Come on, baby. Touch up with Mama. Hi, pretty girl. You having fun? Kendall. Kendall. Really? You're gonna ignore me? That's how you feel about it? Really? How you doing? Nothing? Oh, you gotta concentrate. That's cool. Go ahead. Concentrate away.
Puppy.
You see a puppy? I've lost it. Alright, come on. Alright, I'll see you at dinner, okay? Have fun. I'm gonna go back home. Don't talk to strangers. It's bad for your health. Bye. See you later. Can I get a wave? I don't get no waves? I'm not gonna leave you. Kendall, how old are you? 3. There you go. Good job. Took you a minute. Okay, wait to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Love you.
Later.
You have kisses? Kisses? Good girl.